it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are outside. I set up a kitchen out here because I'm officially graduating high school today, which means it is summertime, and I figured to celebrate, let's make a non-alcoholic Pina Colada. Let's get cooking. First up, we've got a pineapple. Let's just now cut this. So obviously pineapple is a very important part of a Pina Colada because it's like the main ingredient. Pina Colada, for those who've never had it, is this delicious drink that is made primarily of pineapple and coconut, which is super, super refreshing. Now, traditionally, it is made with rum. Obviously, since I am under 21 and I'm in the United States of America, where you need to be 21 to have alcohol, I am not using rum. But if you're over the age of 21 or in a country where it is legal for your age, definitely recommend putting that in because it is an important part, but it is also definitely delicious without. So what I'm just doing is I'm cutting in half because this recipe uses half of a pineapple. Obviously, you can use the whole if you want to serve more people. Now, it is very important that you get rid of the core. The core is this super rough part on the inside that is super hard and just like, you don't want to eat it. So cut out the core. And then cut it into chunks. You don't have to do anything super like perfect cuts. It's all just going in the blender, so it'll be blended up anyways, but just kind of get it into little chunks so that it fits into the blender. So now we're just going to start piling all of our ingredients into the blender. So half of a pineapple goes into there, get that all in there. Next up, we're gonna add in cream of coconut, which is kind of like coconut milk, but it also has lots of sugar in it, which will add some nice sweetness. And then to that, we are also going to add in some plain old coconut milk into there. You want a nice thick coconut milk to get some good coconutty flavor. Then I like to add for a little extra sweetness. You guys know I have a really big sweet tooth, a little bit of honey, but if your pineapple is super sweet, you can definitely leave it out. It is totally up to you. Then a little trick I learned recently in the Pina Colada making is you're actually gonna want to use the juice of a lime. It adds a nice kind of zing and really brings out the sweetness in the pineapple. So squeeze that in. All right, now we're going to add in a whole lot of ice. It is kind of like a slushy consistency of a drink. So let's start with this much ice. So obviously I don't want to do too much ice, so it'll be very watery, but a decent amount of ice. And now it's blending time. And bam, that easy, it is now done. But before we serve it up, let's make a little garnish. We want to be bougie, you know, we want to be just like we were at a bar, getting it nice and served up. We don't want no basic Pina Coladas over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these rounds and I'm going to cut them into triangles so that we can top our drinks with them. Here we go, looking pretty fire. Cut a little slit in there. Let's take our glass. You can use whatever type of glass you'd like. I'm not too particular about my Pina Colada glasses. As long as it gets into my mouth, that's all we need. We also got a lime. Bam. And now, guys, this is how ridiculously easy it is to make. This is why you have no excuse not to make yourself a Pina Colada. So let's now pour in, oh, a little bit spilled. And there you go, homemade Pina Colada, super easy, super refreshing. Let's give it a try. This is the ultimate summer drink. It is super coconutty, super refreshing and sweet for the pineapple and the cream of coconut. Literally, I want to stop talking because I just want to drink it. So let me drink some and then we'll go to the outro. It's so good, oh my God. I don't know about you, but I think this is the perfect start to the summer. It is a great way to kick off. As you may know, if you've seen, I'm taking a year off before I start college at Columbia. So I have a lot of exciting stuff in the works. Get ready. If you guys want to make the Piña Colada, the recipe is on eitanbernath.com, linked down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, comment down below what is your favorite summertime drink and hit that like button and hit that big red subscribe button. It's big, it's red, it's free to click, and you'll be the first to know when I post new videos, and you could join the YouTube fam. Also, did you know you guys can now text me? Text me at 201-822-9203 to join the text gang. All right, if you need me, I'm gonna be devouring the rest of this Pina Colada. Maybe I'll also just take this and drink straight from the blender. Don't tell anyone. Bye.